Hey everyone, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add, edit, and remove navigation menu items. So what is a navigation menu item? That is this navigation area which can be located at the top of your website here, which typically would say home, about, services. I'll show you like a typical one. On blackclassified.ca. So you have a home, shop, about, contact. Like this is a typical menu. Some websites have a footer menu as well. So you see a menu right here called home, shop, about, blog, contact, and other quick links that you want your users to access quickly, but not to crowd up the top area, which is your menu, your main menu. So I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and remove your items or specific items on your navigation menu. So the first step would be to log into the back end of your WordPress website. If you don't know how to do that, I will link a video to that so you can check that out. But once you log into the back end of your website, you're going to see this WordPress dashboard. And then you're going to go to the left-hand sidebar and hover over Appearance. And then when you go down a few items, you're going to see menus. So click on menus. This is going to take you to all of the menus that you could possibly have on your website. So you might have, as I said, a header menu and a footer menu, or just one menu. In my case, I have just my landing page menu. And I'm going to show you this area right here, which is very important. This is where you will find all the items that you can possibly add to your menu. So you can add 4 different types of menu items. You can add pages, posts, custom links, and categories. So pages are the website pages that you have created. So let's say I have all of these pages, like I have a logo design page, a portfolio page, I have an official home default page. So I can add all of these items or pages that I've created to my menu, but I've chosen to only add these 2 for now. Another thing you can add, or type of menu item you can add is a post. So these are all of my blog posts that I have. So how to add products to Shopify, how to use HubSpot, how to create a WordPress website. I can actually add these by checking it and adding it to my menu, and then it will show that particular post. Another type of menu item you could add to your menu is a custom link. So let's say you found an article that is interesting and you want to link it to your menu. You can actually paste the URL of the article in here, or just whatever URL it is, and you can name it whatever you'd like to name it so it can populate on your menu. And then the last type of menu item you can add is a category. So I have all of these different types of categories for my posts and my pages. So let's say I wanted to add anything that has to do with giveaways. I want to add that to my menu, and then when they click on it, they will see anything on my website that is categorized as a giveaway. The user will see that information. So this is the important area where you would actually get to add and edit your menu area. So right now I'm going to show you how to add, let's say, a page. So this is the most common area that people will use to, let's say, rearrange or restructure their menu. And if I'm looking for a particular page, in this instance, I'm looking for my website maintenance plans, I can check it out under my most recent area, or I can click on View All and then look through this list, or I can actually search using the search function and find the page here. So since I worked in it recently, it is right here on this area. So I'm going to click on Website Maintenance Plans. I'm going to click Add to Menu, and it is going to jump over here and be added to my menu. But one thing people forget to do is click Save Menu. So make sure you click Save Menu so that you can go over to your website, refresh it, and it should populate on your menu. So here it is right here, Website Maintenance Plans. So that is how you add an item to your menu. Now I'm going to show you how to edit your menu. So let's say I did not want it to be added in this area. I wanted it to actually be in the middle right here. So all you have to do is take website maintenance plans, drag it up, and make sure it's aligned. Don't forget to hit save, and then it is going to edit my menu so that it is in the format I would like, and website maintenance plans should be in the middle when I hit refresh. So I just hit refresh now, and now website maintenance plans are in the middle. Let's say I wanted my menu to look super clean and I wanted it to just say Encore websites and then have a drop down of my maintenance plans and Shopify area. So in order to do that, you would have Encore websites as your main menu item, and you would drag this over to make this a sub item under Encore websites, and then you drag this one over to make this a sub item as well. And then don't forget to hit save. And then when you go over here to your actual front end of the website, it should clear this up and make it look more clean and just have a simple drop down area to the menu items you wish to show. And then another thing that people want to know is, how do I remove an item from my menu? So we're gonna put all of these back the way they were, and in order to remove a menu item, so I'm gonna just put this back to how it originally was, we're gonna hit on this drop down arrow. We're gonna see this remove link, and don't worry, when you hit remove, it's just going to remove it from your actual menu structure, but is still going to be accessible under your page area or wherever you populated the menu item. So just because I moved it from here doesn't mean that it's removed from my entire website. It's just removed from my main menu structure. So I'm going to hit save. And then when I go on the website and hit refresh on the front end, this is going to go back to how it originally was, right? So Encore websites and Shopify, just those two. And as I said before, just because I hit that and then I hit remove doesn't mean I can't find it over here again, right? So here is the original page that I removed. It's still there. Okay, so that is how I showed you how to add an item, right? I showed you how to edit your menu, so it's just simple dragging and rearranging. And I showed you how to remove a menu item as well. And don't forget, throughout each area or each step of adding, editing, or removing items, you have to hit save in order for it to populate on the front end of the website. That is one key thing that I see a lot of clients, once I complete their website, they forget this step and then contact me and they're not too sure what happened. So just remember to hit save menu once you make any changes here. I hope this video has helped you out. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description box below. So this is a video pertaining to WordPress. I'm going to make another video pertaining to how to edit a Shopify menu. So how to add, edit, and remove items from your Shopify. And that's in another video. But once again, thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video.